In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hot corners on the Mac. If you hover your mouse into each corner, as you can see here, nothing actually happens. However, to turn hot corners on, you want to go up to the List Lapper logo and come down to System Preferences. And on the System Preference page, you want Mission Control. And in the bottom left hand corner of Mission Control, you want to click Hot Corners. And as you can see here on the demonstration, all 4 corners can be set up as a hot corner, and you have an option to choose each hot corner between Mission Control, Application Window, Desktop, Notification Center, Launchpad, Quick Note, Start Screensaver, Disable Screensaver, Put Display to Sleep, and Lock Screen. You can set up each hot corner to best suit your needs. However, let's add a hot corner to each of my corners on the Mac. Let's put Launchpad, Quick Note, Desktop, and Notification Center. And once you're happy, you simply click OK. Then you want to X this away. And now when you hover over the corner, you can see this brings up the notepad quickly. And if you come into this bottom left hand corner, it quickly brings up the Launchpad. Now in this top corner, we have any programs up, like in this case Safari. When you hover over the top corner, it quickly brings you back to the desktop. And in the last top corner, hovering over quickly brings up your notifications. As I say, you can set up your hot corners to best suit your needs. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip, and thank you for watching.